Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, a water well has a cylinder shape. The measurements are shown in the picture below. Which equation can be used to determine B, the volume of the water well in cubic feet? Okay, so we want to find out which one of these equations can be used to find the volume for that water well, right? Okay, and notice how we have some measurements given to us here, right? And I do see a 28. Well, 28, notice how it's like from here to here. Therefore, this is your height. Very good. This is the height. What about 6 feet? Did you notice how it just goes from one end to kind of like halfway of the base? And that would be your radius. That's not diameter. Remember, diameter will need to cross from one to the other end, right? So I'm looking for volume. Did you guys know the formula for volume? No? Don't panic. I got it for you here, okay? So we have B equals capital B times H. Now the problem here would be, do I know what capital B stands for, right? So I'm going to write it down over here. Capital B is actually the area of the base. And in this case, a cylinder has what kind of base? It's a circle. Very good. Okay. So how do I find the area of a circle? Well, the formula for area of a circle is pi radius squared. And I'm going to write down capital B. Notice how I don't write down A, because A and B, or capital A and capital B, is the same. Area, and capital B is area of the base. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to come back to my formula, and I'm going to replace capital B with my pi radius squared. Okay, it's very, very important that we see that this capital B is being replaced by all of this, because we have it right here. See that? Okay, and then we have the height, and my height, right? Well, let me use the purple so that we don't get confused, since I already have it over here, right? So this is the height. So I'm gonna write down the height just as it is, and that will be my H. Is that right? So let's replace some values here. So we have B equals pi. I'm going to leave it alone. What's the radius? 6. Very good, to the second power. And the height, it's 28. Simple as that. Okay? So now go back and look at the answer choices. Letter A, it's pi 6 squared times 28. That looks pretty good, right? What about B? B has a 12. Where did they get the 12 from? Oh, from the diameter, right? Exactly. Nope, that's not right. That's not diameter. So that cannot be my answer. What about C? What is it that C is missing? Oh, it's missing the square. Very good. That cannot be my answer. What about the last one? The last one is actually raising the height to the second power. Nope, that's not my answer. Therefore, my answer for this has to be letter A. Very good. That's the answer, guys.